Hi guys, hello again. So we are in Move Abroad and Drive. This is Ruth, and today I want you to introduce you to this beautiful home. Really, it's beautiful. This house, it's very unique because of the style, like a Caribbean style, Tulum, all mixed like with wooden, soft colors, salam wood. The location also it's great because we are in Cholul, a growing area in the outsides of Merida. We are like 10 minutes from the city, and we have Star Medica like 12 minutes away. It's not like a crowded area. We're like in outside Cholul. So we have also a connection to Chicxulub Puerto Road. Also the neighborhood, like the streets. The street it's beautiful. We are not in a privada. So we have like 3 houses. They are already finished and they are for immediate delivery. So join me to meet this house. And at any time you feel you want to live in this house, you can always click on the link below. Okay, so just entering to this place, I feel very relaxed. I feel like I can breathe, like entering to your beach house, but in the city. Also, you have space for 3 cars. First of all, look at this entry. This is so sticky. Come on, follow me, please. Can you feel this vibe? I feel like I'm transporting to another another world, another ambience. I mean, the perfect choice of colors also. You can't have a more open space than this. If you like open spaces and feeling like you are outside of your house, this is perfect. I mean, look at this kitchen. This is a dream, it's so pretty. The wood, the color of the wood, gorgeous finishes. Look at this beautiful granite also. Everything is so polished and well detailed and well planned. So before we go out, I want to show you the whole inside of the house, like the city part that this house has to offer you. We have very tall ceilings. We have these beautiful details. So this is for storage. This is a very important thing that the house has, and it's very unique too. So these squares in the ceiling, it's not just for aesthetic or style. It's also for extracting the heat from the house and pushing it out. Everything is well planned. That's what I'm telling you. This beautiful bedroom. This is a secondary bedroom. We have this beautiful closet. Look at this. The lights are doing an amazing job here. If you like warm lights, this is perfect for you. If you like softness, but also like a calm and relaxed space, this is for you. Okay, so let's go to the secondary bedroom. So we have a very good size bedroom. Here we have 2 prices. We have the basic house in 5.5, and we have the house that it's already equipped with surround system, with all the closets, plants, etc. in almost 6 million. The bathroom of the secondary bedroom. Okay, so let's go to the main bedroom. This is why I think this is the main bedroom. Look at this beautiful view. I mean, I just see this and I feel relaxed because I know that you are excited. I'm going to show you now the pool. It's perfect for having reunions or just chilling on a Sunday or any day. So we have a swimming pool, definitely. It's chukum. The chukum repels the humidity, repels the heat, and lasts a lot of time. So we have this beautiful bamboo roof with his ladder. And all of this that you are seeing right now can be yours. You just need to click on the link below. So let's go back to the house so I can show you the laundry area. So we have a very well sized laundry area where you can also use it as a storage room. You have the installation for your dryer, your washing machine. This hallway that we have here goes directly to the pool. This same hallway surrounds all the house. So imagine how big the lot is. We have 407 square meters only of land. And we have all the house in one level. We are using so wisely all the space we have. Look, this is part of the surround system, and it's Bose. So tell me if you don't imagine living in this beautiful house. This house, it's a dream come true. So if you are interested, please click on the link below and I will give you all the details so you can move abroad and thrive.